Surbhi Mudra is one such powerful mudra which can manifest wishes into reality and thus fulfill desires. Derived from the Sanskrit word Surbhi, this mudra is the essence of prosperity and contentment. The physical benefits of this mudra are also immense. Surbhi mudra is named after Surbhi, the daughter of the divine cow Kamadhenu. Performed by bringing the hands together in reverence and gratitude, Surbhi mudra represents the essence of Kamadhenu's blessings. According to ancient Hindu mythology, sage Vishwamitra, who was originally a king, wanted to attain the status of Brahmarshi, a sage among the gods. To achieve this, he sought the divine Kamadhenu, a wish fulfilling cow owned by Vashisht Muni, who was renowned as one of the greatest sages. Recognizing the immense importance of Kamadhenu, sage Vishwamitra went to Vashisht Muni and requested him as a boon. However, Vasishtha Muni, aware of the potential misuse of Kamdhenu's powers, refused the sage's request, leading to a conflict between the two sages. How to do Surbhi Mudra? Choose a comfortable sitting posture. Simple Padmasana or Vajrasana works best for this pose. To begin the Surbhi Mudra, bring your hands to chest level and do Namaste with hands apart. Move the ring finger of the left hand towards the little finger of the right hand and then move your right little finger over it to touch the little finger of the left hand. Then move your left index finger to touch the tip of the right middle finger and from above it, move the left middle finger to touch the tip of the right index finger. Adjust the fingers slightly up and down to touch them properly. Keep both thumbs extended towards the heart and the entire arrangement of fingers point towards the sky. Maintain this mudra and concentrate on the fingers for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Chanting Gayatri Mantra in this mudra further increases its efficiency. Holding the fingers in this mudra may seem difficult, but with slow and constant practice it comes easily. One can try. While doing Surbhi Mudra, proper contact can be made between the fingers by folding them initially. If your hands shake while practicing this, then open and close your fist. Stretch and contract the fingers several times. This will help. Proceeding slowly and following the instructions mentioned in the third and fourth steps will help in making a good grip between the fingers. Some points to check. These precautions should be taken while doing Surbhi Mudra. The thumb should remain untouched. While doing Surbhi Mudra, one should especially take care that the thumb does not touch the root of any finger. This is because when this happens, the effect of the element increases and this may reduce the benefits that the sadhak gets. If you are a beginner, then you should start practicing this mudra with a short time frame. You should perform this yoga mudra only for a few minutes at a stretch until the coordination between the organ systems is established. Benefits of Surbhi Mudra. Surbhi Mudra is the most powerful mudra for navel chakra or people with constipation, ulcers and diabetes problems. This mudra balances the excessive or oppressive energy of this chakra and creates vitality in it. In this mudra, when one element joins with another element, it enhances and multiplies their powers. In Kundalini awakening, this power makes the body and mind strong to withstand the rising Kundalini and breaks the energy knots, if any. Since regular practice of this mudra helps to enhance creativity, it increases the positive energy within the seekers and thus helps in fulfilling their desires. Surbhi Mudra also helps in relieving gas and acidity as it activates the excretory system. Since all the 5 elements, Panch Tattva, are combined in some way or the other in this mudra, it takes care of the hormonal system, glandular system, and also maintains balance in the Panch Tattva. Surbhi Mudra with Gayatri Mantra creates a meditative atmosphere that improves the aura of the body. Since Surbhi Mudra is directly related to the third eye chakra, it enhances the memory and concentration power of the practitioner. How it works. In Surbhi Mudra, the index finger, air element, meets the middle finger, ether element. This position brings the highest chakra at the center of the head into balance and gives a mentally soothing feeling. Also, the ring finger, earth element, touches the tip of the little finger, water element. This position helps in enhancing creative powers. Surbhi Mudra is a therapeutic mudra that helps in balancing all the elements. It helps in resolving problems related to Kapha, Vata, and Pitta. This is why Surbhi Mudra is also known as Tridosha Nashak Mudra, which destroys the three doshas Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Surbhi Mudra stimulates the endocrine glands and eliminates toxins from the body. Due to the secretion of endocrine hormones, it helps in achieving ultimate happiness, peace, and creativity. In conclusion, Surbhi Mudra is a valuable practice for anyone seeking physical health, mental clarity, emotional balance, and spiritual growth. Incorporating this mudra into a daily routine can lead to a more harmonious and fulfilling life.